Buckle up, oil enthusiasts. Imagine the shock of a sudden price spike after months of lows, all sparked by a single diplomatic whisper. In our latest scoop on oil market updates for October 16th, we're diving into how crude oil clawed its way back from a 5-month nadir, thanks to remarks from U.S. President Donald Trump claiming that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi pledged to cease buying Russian barrels. This potential pivot could tighten the global oil supply chain, sending ripples through energy markets worldwide. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this be more about political theater than actual policy? And what might the real-world implications be for everyday consumers filling up their tanks? Let's break it down for those new to the energy game. Oil prices are influenced by a delicate balance of supply and demand, and any hint of reduced supply, like India stepping back from Russian crude, can push prices upward. Brent crude, the international benchmark often traded in Europe and beyond, surged above $62 per barrel after dipping 2.2% in the prior 2 trading days. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate, WTI, the U.S. benchmark favored by American refiners and traders, hovered close to $59 per barrel. These benchmarks aren't just numbers. They represent the cost of the oil that powers our cars, heats our homes, and fuels factories. For beginners, think of Brent as the global standard, influenced by events in the Middle East or OPEC decisions, while WTI reflects more domestic U.S. dynamics like shale production fluctuations. Trump's announcement didn't specify a firm timeline for India's shift away from Russian oil, adding layers of uncertainty to the mix. You can check out the details on Bloomberg here. https://www.bloomberg.com/2025-10-15. Trump says Modi committed to stop Russian oil purchases. And this is the part most people miss. No official word has come from New Delhi yet, leaving room for doubt about whether this vow will actually materialize. Is this a strategic move to isolate Russia amid ongoing geopolitical tensions, or just empty words to rally supporters? Critics might argue it's a bold claim lacking substance, potentially manipulating markets for political gain, while others see it as a smart diplomatic jab. Either way, it's a reminder of how global politics can swing energy prices like a pendulum. What do you think? Will India's oil import strategy really change, or is this just another headline in the volatile world of commodities? Share your takes in the comments. Do you believe Trump's words will hold water, or could this backfire on global stability? Let's discuss.